Welcome to my channel, Giggle Fun Kids. Like and share. Subscribe.
Baa Baa Black Sheep with farm animals. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Soft and warm for winter days. I share my wool in many ways. Moo cow, what do you do? I give milk for me and you. White and fresh in a big tall cup. Drink it down and drink it up. Oink oink pig, rolling in the mud. Snorting and smiling, feeling good. Pink and round, I love to play in the sunshine every day. Neigh neigh horse, strong and fast. Running in the field so very fast. Pulling carts and jumping high. Tails and manes flying by. Cluck cluck.